Hello and welcome to Module 2 on bonds, and now we're talking about annuity cash flows. So to unpack or understand or explain a little bit about annuity cash flows, if you think about cash flow, cash flowing to you, and an annuity is basically a stream of cash flows, so a stream of cash that flows to you, usually from an initial investment that you've made at some point. So let's look at the present value of annuity cash flows. So if you have a 1 million rand bond that pays a 5% coupon and it's got a 3-year maturity and interest rates are 15%, what is the present value? Okay, so it sounds very complicated, but let's take it step by step. So if you've got a 1 million rand bond, it means basically you're investing 1 million rands to buy a bond, okay, and then you'll be earning a 5% coupon, which means that you will be getting, at a regular basis, a coupon of 5% of 1 million. So that coupon is regular cash flow that comes to you. So it's an annuity cash flow. You can think of it that way. And then it's a 3-year maturity. And as we've spoken in the first module on bonds, that when you invest in bonds, a fixed coupon bond like this one, at the end of maturity, you will also be getting back your 1 million rand that you've invested. Okay? So let's continue. Now if you want to calculate what the present value of that is, we know that it's a 3-year bond, and what is the annuity cash flow that you get? You get the coupon payment, which is 5% of 1 million, which works out to 50,000 every year. That would be your coupon payment. Plus, at maturity, you get 1 million back that you had initially invested. So those are your stream of cash flows for this particular bond. Now we want to know, how do we calculate what is the present value of that? Because basically, if you've got this bond, we know what it's going to be paying you in the future, right? That's the future value, but we want to know that value in the future, if you have to translate it into today's terms, the present value, what is it? And how you would do that is basically, for each year, for each cash flow, you calculate the present value. So for year 1, you're earning a 50,000 coupon. You would discount that at your 15% interest rate to get your present value for year 1. Then you do the same calculation for year 2, where you calculate the present value of the coupon that you earn in year 2. In year 3, you're earning the coupon plus the 1 million rand that you invested. So then you calculate the present value of 1 million plus 50,000. And once you've got those 3 present values, you then add them together, and that would give you a present value of 771 rands 677. And that would be the present value of the bond. So if you go back to the earlier topics where we spoke about the time value of money, you know now that a 1 million bond that pays you a coupon of 5% and has a 3-year maturity, in today's terms, the value of it is 771,677. And that brings us to the end. I do encourage you to go online, onto the website, download the training manual, and see the detailed calculations and detailed steps in calculating present values of annuity cash flows. Thank you.